Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Krisp AI for remote work in 2026. If you work from home and want clearer meetings, better communication, and fewer audio distractions, this guide will walk you through the setup process step by step. First, open the Krisp AI application and sign in to your account. If you haven't installed it yet, download the desktop app, complete the installation, and log in using your account credentials. Next, select your preferred microphone and speakers inside the Krisp AI app. Make sure the correct audio devices are chosen before starting your workday. Now enable noise cancellation for your microphone. If available, turn on speaker noise cancellation as well. This helps remove background sounds like keyboard typing, fan noise, traffic, or conversations nearby. Next, open your meeting platform, such as Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, or Slack. In the audio settings, select Krisp microphone as your input device and Krisp speaker as your output device if you're using both features. Now join a meeting or make a test call. Speak naturally while Krisp AI automatically filters unwanted noise, making your voice sound clearer and more professional. Before important meetings, test your microphone and speakers to ensure everything is working correctly. Keeping the Krisp app updated will also help maintain the best performance. Finally, leave Krisp AI running in the background throughout your workday, so every meeting and call benefits from improved audio quality. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Krisp AI for remote work step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.